Happy and a prosperous new year to you all, my fans. May God bless you. In this video, I will be showing you how to take accurate measurements on a senator or a native wear. Let's say you don't know how to sew and you actually want to send your measurements, your native measurements to your tailor. With this process, you can adequately send an accurate measurement to your tailor, and he will use it to produce something that will be well fitted to your body. But before we proceed, I would like to have a like from you on this video, and if you are new to my channel, please do well to hit on that subscribe button. And without a waste of time, let us now proceed to work. This is the trouser measurement procedure. You would get your trouser and lay it on a flat surface or a table. If you have a table, you lay it on your table or anywhere that is flat. You straighten it very well. Then you take your measurement from the waist along the outer seam to the bottom of the trouser. And after taking that, the next measurement which you will take will be the waist measurement. The waist measurement will start from each hook point to the next hook point for those that put their trouser hook, but for those that put bottom is to the bottom point. Now, after taking that, you will take the bottom measurement. The bottom measurement, you just take it straight and multiply it by 2. Whatever it give you is the measurement for the bottom. Then you take the knee. While taking the knee, take the length measurement, divide it by 2. Whatever it give you, that is the place you will take the knee measurement. And just take a single measurement for that knee and you multiply that measurement by 2. While multiplying it by 2, it will give you the full measurement which is required for the knee. Then on the lap, you open your trouser and you take the lap or the thigh measurement right from under the crotch. Whatever it gives you, you multiply by 2, and that is the measurement for the thigh of your trouser. Then this all about how to take our trouser measurement. And now we proceed with the top or the senator. I will now proceed with the measurement of our senator or native wear. All I need to do is to lay it flat on a flat surface. Make sure that the senator is flat. Then I'll proceed with the shoulder of the native top, and you can see how I'm taking the shoulder. I'm taking it based on how curved our shoulder is. I did not take it straight. Then from that point, I will now proceed with the sleeve measurement. That's the sleeve length measurement. If it is long sleeve, you measure your long sleeve. This short sleeve. If it is 3/4, you measure out based on what you have and what you want your tailor to produce. And I will now proceed with the length measurement. That's the full length of our native wear, senator wear. So I will start by the side of the shoulder, from the shoulder by the side of the neck. Then I will take the full length of the senator to the bottom, wherever I stop at the bottom. I will record it as my measurement for the full length of the native wear. Then I will proceed with the chest. I will proceed with the chest measurement, and the chest measurement, I will take my measurement from the chest measurement around the armpit area. I will take it to the other point of the armpit area. You can see where I'm pointing. Then I will now proceed with the tummy measurement. The tummy measurement, you can make your full length divide by 2 to give you the tummy area measurement. Then you see where I'm pointing for the tummy. Then I will take my measurement from that point. That is the tummy measurement. Then I'll proceed with the neck circumference. The circumference of the neck You will see the way I'm taking it. To be careful while measuring it. You don't need to rush it. Take it gradually. You hold hand on it. You proceed to the next until you gradually finish taking around the circumference of the neck. Then I'll proceed with the round sleeve. I just finished taking the neck. I'm just showing you something on that neck, that while taking the neck, you don't take from the placket. You open the placket and take it right from the under. You can see it. That is the way to take the neck measurement. I will now proceed with the round sleeve. But before that is the biceps, the round of your arm. That is the round sleeve. I take it, whatever it gives me, I multiply it by 2. That is what will give me the circumference of the round sleeve. And this is all about how to take your native wear measurement. In case if you want to send your measurement to your tailor, this is just the procedure. Thank you.